Hey guys, welcome to another video with The Boring Traveler. Today we'll be doing a hotel review, and on the block we have the Luxury Collection Hotel Manhattan Midtown, which belongs to Marriott. Now let's get into the history of this because it's a little bit interesting. So until June 4th, 2024, this was actually part of Hilton's portfolio and it was known as the Conrad. But they decided to part ways with the hotel's management and it was amicable, so no tea there. But at least now I was able to try it because it was part of Marriott. And I'll tell you this, it was a pretty good deal I got. So you guys might not be aware, but there's this thing known as mistake fares in aviation and also hospitality, where the hotel or the airline may actually publish rates lower than usual. I guess it's just like finding a deal. It's nothing like revolutionary. But yeah, I just found a deal where I was able to book this room for 34,000 points when it usually goes for like $500 to $600. So I was pretty proud of myself when I was able to visit here. And if you know anything about hotels in New York, you know they are tiny. I mean, bro, when I say tiny, there is no space. But the thing about this hotel is that almost every single room here is actually a suite. So it's crazy spacious. And no matter what room you book, you're going to get something good. Because usually hotels would like charge a real premium for suites. But this hotel is basically suites only. So, let's get right into it. Okay, so now we're at the room. And as you guys can see already, it's like a living room and a bedroom at the left. So you see here, there's a couch, there's a lamp. Of course, they got to get the artwork. This is more of a modern hotel, so it doesn't really have that classic feel as you guys would have seen in my St. Regis video. But of course, I am a modernist and I love that. So here you see they have these fancy books and in-room dining. I usually don't really get in-room dining, but of course it's available here. And as you can see, there are two other chairs for you to sit and just, chill with your partner or whatever, which is also pretty nice. I would say the TV was angled at a little bit of a weird angle. So watching TV, it was weird because you sit on the couch and then you have to look towards the right because past these double doors, you see the bedroom. So that was a little bit weird. But as you guys can see, it's like double doors, living room, bedroom, another TV. This is luxury, man. And as you can see here, there's an alarm clock, some more artwork, very white. My suitcase is white, so we're matching there. Twinsies. Anyway, it's a king size bed. So here we have our, what did you call this? Bathrobes, yeah. A mirror, some extra bedding. So that was pretty nice. And the bathroom, again, pretty spacious. It didn't have the double sinks, which I do usually prefer. But, that was fair. The marble, again, really with the white theme. They have fancy toiletries. Well, fancy to me. I don't know what my wife would say, but you guys can see they have all of this on deck. Mohave goes from Byredo. Stainless steel. Faucets. Some soaps. I usually prefer, like, actual soap that's, like, liquid to, like, the bar stuff, but hotels usually give the bar stuff. So here we have, like, a vanity mirror or just, like, a dresser mirror thing. And white toilets, just a shower, no bathtub. So again, I'm not really a bathtub person, but it is nice if you're gonna just like, after a long day of traveling, hang out with your partner. So, but here they only had a shower. So yeah, very modern, very white, very sleek, has all the necessities. Again, this is New York we're talking about. So you're seeing a double bedroom. I was really impressed. So now we're going to leave the bedroom and we're going to look a little bit more into this space just outside here. So as you guys can see here, they have a cabinet where they have an ironing board. I actually really rate this because a lot of hotels actually have to go and ask for an ironing board to be sent up. So them just having it on deck was very, very nice. I tried to open this thing, I couldn't, so I gave up. We have these drawers where you have the safe. Again, very nice way, keep the safe out of sight. Like if someone actually breaks in, it's nice for them to actually have to look for it. I mean, they probably find it, but hopefully they can't get in. We got the laundry there as well, which is also pretty nice as well. It's going to cost like some money, but again, if you need to get laundry done, you're traveling, it is what it is. So again, just another view of the bedroom, another view of the living room. This is like an apartment. In New York, you don't get this space. I think if you're not from New York and watching this video, you're probably going to be like, what's he just on about? But in New York, you don't get this space, man. So here we have the minibar and it's stocked to the brim. I mean, do not go anywhere else. There is no need for a bar or a club. If you come to the Luxury Collection Hotel, Manhattan Midtown, drink from the minibar because they had everything. Water, Coke, beers. I'm still look, I never seen that drink in America. Literally only in Nigeria I've seen Amstel. They have champagne, everything. Now, I'm not that much of a drinker. Those that know me. And these drinks are gonna be like twice the price. So I cannot recommend you buy anything from here, but if you are in the situation in which you need to get something, everything is on deck. They had places to get some tea. I'm not sure if this was complimentary. It usually is. So I'm checking my notes, but I don't see it. So I think it was the water definitely was. I think the tea probably was, even though I didn't have any. But again, you need some tea or coffee in the morning. It's on deck. Everything you need on deck. Now they got these snacks. Again, double the price. I'm not gonna pay like. In fact, I'm gonna show you guys the menu in just a second. But like I was seeing like $15 or $20 for Pringles and yo, I'm not paying anything, bro. Look at these prices. Like, I get this is New York, but come on, $9 for chips, like $20 for a beer. Nah, bruh. So, and yeah, they got some Q wine glasses if you guys just want to have drinks with a couple of some friends. So all in all, everything that you need in a minibar was here. We also ordered a rollaway bed for me to sleep on at the time. We didn't want to share the same bed at the time, so I just got one for myself, and it wasn't obviously as comfortable as like the actual king size bed, but again, pretty nice, pretty generous hotel. So let's just do a quick wrap up. So I'm just going to show you guys again the bedroom. So you got like this wide view of the bedroom suite. This is the bedside table. You guys can see the time, 6:46 p.m. Again, nothing inside here. So yeah, you got the desk at the left. This is the view you get from the room I'm at. So concrete jungle, baby. What do you expect? You get to see some brown buildings, of course, the best views ever. And then here again, this is a wide view of the living room, the table for you and your partner to just relax. Let's see what the view from this side is looking like. And surprise, I can't find the way to. Okay, now I got that. More concrete jungle. That's how we like it. New York, baby. So all in all, again, very impressed with this hotel, especially for New York. And they have this very, very fun, cute. I don't know what this is. A woman on a duck. I love it. I love it. The Luxury Hotel Collection Manhattan Midtown. And if you guys know anything about travel, Nick the Frequent Miler said this was his favorite hotel stay, or second favorite hotel stay this year. So you guys don't have to take it from me. Take it from one of the OGs. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next one.